the left side pushing out. So what I did was I took this cut from my ball joint press kit. Basically, put that on top of there. This piece goes on the bottom. And this vise goes between the vise. The vise goes between the bottom and the top. Or on each side, rather. Get it tight on there. And just start turning. Takes ever so many turns. Get it out. Just have some patience. Oh, I heard it pop already. Popping already. Keep pushing. Until it comes out. Like it's ready to go. So let me reverse my turn. Loosen up the press. My pipe has to come loose. Let me tap it up. Okay. Again, take my hammer, knock it out, and it's out. Now let me clean this up. Back into there. Take my hammer. Just give it a light touch there. Take and put the screw back in. It slides through. Before I tighten that, I'm going to go ahead and